First of all, I welcome all of you guys in the lesson number 47 of grade 2 mathematics. What we learned yesterday, in the last class, we learned about with the same number of objects, how can we make two multiplication and two division sentence. Like if there are Amal, I need to close this annotation, okay. Like if there are two chocolates in one pack and you have such four packs, so how many total chocolates you have? Eight. And if there are four chocolates in one pack and you have such two packs, how many chocolates? That will be same, eight. And if you have total eight chocolates and in one pack you have four, so how many packs do you have? You have two packs. If you have total eight chocolates and you have two packs, so in one pack how many chocolates you are having? That is four. So you can make two multiplication sentence and two division sentence from same number of objects, right? So we did too many examples here, like 5 multiplied by 4 equals to 20. So for another multiplication sentence, I can change the order of these two numbers. As we know, in the multiplication property we learned, if we change the number of order, the answer doesn't change. So 4 multiplied by 5 is also 20. And for division sentence, we start with a bigger number. We write 20. And if we divide 20 by 5, the answer will be this one, 4. And if we divide 20 by 4, the answer will be this one, 5. Okay. So this was the example. Now we'll do one more example, then we'll do two example, and then we will go for the next topic, that is term of division. If I write here 6 multiplied by 7 equals to 42, can you tell me one more multiplication sentence of it? Can you tell me one more multiplication sentence for that? Abdul Aziz Muhammad.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell one more multiplication sentence of it?
42 divided by 7.
I want one more multiplication sentence.
Uh,
Yes.
uh, 7 divided by 6. No,
Divide
multiply by 6.
7
No,
multiplied by what?
6.
6 equals to?
42.
Very good, very good, very good. 7 multiplied by 6 equals to 42. Okay. Now I need one division sentence from one of you. One division sentence. Abdul Rahim Fadi. Abdul Rahim Fadi.
Yes, sir, I can hear you. I am Abdul Rahim Fadi.
Yes, Abdul Rahim Fadi. Can you make one division sentence from these numbers?
10 multiplied 2 equals 5. 5 multiplied 2 equals 5. Division 2 equals
No,
10.
this 6 multiplied by 7 equals to 42. Using these
6
numbers.
multiplied by 7 equals 42. 42 division 7
Okay.
equals 6.
Very good. 42 division 7 equals 6. Okay, very good. I need one more division sentence. And Abdul Rahman. Abdul Rahman, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, Abdul Rahman. Can you tell me one more division sentence of it?
What?
One more division sentence of number 6, 7, and 42. By using these numbers, make one division sentence. Yes. Division sentence like this. 42 divided by 7 equals to 6. Start with 42. Start with a bigger number. Then divide it by 6 because you have made by division 7. Now divide it by 6. It will be equal to 7. Why? Because 42 divided by 6, 7 equals to 6. So 42 divided by 6 equals to 7. If you check from this multiplication, 42 divided by 6, 6 multiplied by what number will give you 42? 6 multiplied by 7 will give you 42. So 42 divided by 6 equals to 7. Okay?
Okay.
All right. So guys, this was the practice of yesterday lesson. How to make multiplication and division sentences. If you know one multiplication sentences like 8 by 4 equals to 32. So you can make one more. You can change the order of these numbers. 8 by 4. So you can write 4 by 8 also equals to 32. And for division, you can write the bigger number first. 32 divided by, and divide any of the number. I divide 8 first. Then this number will be the answer. So I'll write 4 here. When I divide 4, so this number will be the answer. That is 8. So 32 divided by 4 equals to 8. And 32 divided by 8 equals to 4. In that way, you can write this multiplication and division of sentence. Today we are going to learn about the division terms. Okay. In division terms, what is dividend, what is divisor, and what is quotient. Okay. So take a look at this division sentence. In the example here, 15 divided by 3. This is 15 divided by 3. I'm going to make it bigger for you. 15 divided by 3. Okay. So in 15 divided by 3, the number which has to be divided, or the number written before the division symbol, that is known as dividend. Look here, this is 15 divided by 3. So which number you have to divide? You have to divide this 15. Okay. The number which you have to divide is called dividend. It is the number to be divided, right? The number you have to divide is called dividend. Let's suppose you have 15 chocolates. You want to distribute this into 3 girls or 3 boys equally, right? So 15 number is the dividend. And you want to divide into 3 equal groups. So this 3 will be called divisor. This 3 will be called divisor. Dividend is the number which you have to divide. Dividend is the number which has to be divided. Dividend is the number which you have to divide. And divisor. Divisor is the number. Divisor is the number by which you are dividing. Divisor is the number by which you are dividing. You are dividing here 15 by 3. You are dividing 15 into 3 equal groups. So 3 is the divisor. 3 is the divisor. Again, I repeat, the number you have to divide is called dividend, and the number by which you are dividing is called divisor. Here 15 you are dividing, so 15 is dividend, and you are dividing 15 by 3. So 3 is the divisor. Okay. Now 3 divided by 15. 3, when you divide 15 by 3, the answer is 5. You check 3 how many times? 3 multiplied by what number will give you 15? So 3 1 3, 3 2 6, 3 3 3 9, 3 4 12, and 3 5 15. So the answer is 5. So your answer is also known as quotient. Quotient, it is the answer to the division question. How many chocolates should I give to 3 boys if I have total 15? So if I have total 15 chocolates and I want to share it equally into 3 groups, so for every group, for each group, there must be 5 chocolates. So this 5 is known as quotient and it is your answer. Again, I repeat, what is dividend? Dividend is the number which you have to divide. Like here, 42 divided by 7. 42 you are dividing, so 42 is the dividend. And divisor is the number by which you are dividing. So you are dividing 42 by 7 here. So 7 is divisor here. And what is your answer? That will be also known as quotient. So this 6 is your quotient. Okay. Any problem in dividend, divisor and quotient? If you have any problem, you can ask me. Yes, guys, any problem?
No.
Do you understand these terms? Okay. Now you know it that what is dividend, what is divisor, and what is quotient. Okay. Now I'm going to write division sentence and you are going to reply me. This is now 15 by 3. I'm going to make it 45 by 5. 45 by 5 equals to what? Check the variable of 5. 5 multiplied by 1, 5. And 5 into 9, I will get 45. All right. So what is the dividend here? Yes. Suleiman Soleh. Can you hear me? Suleiman, can you tell me the dividend here? What is the dividend? In 45 divided by 5 equals to 9. Tell me the dividend. Which number is a dividend here?
3.
There is no 3. 45 divided by 5 equals to 9. Dividend means the number which you have to divide. You have to divide which number? 45, 5 or 9? Which number you are going to divide?
45.
Yes, so 45 is dividend. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Omar. Can you hear me, Omar? Ayan?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ayan. Can you tell me 45 divided by 5 equals to what? 9. Okay. Now,
9.
can you tell me the divisor here?
5.
5. Divisor is the number by which you are dividing. So you are dividing 45 by 5. So the divisor here is 5. Very good.
5.
Very good. Okay. Ilyas. Ilyas. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ilyas. Can you tell me the quotient here in this division sentence? What number is the quotient? 9. 9 is the answer. Okay. Guys, I can make one MCQs for you. I can say in above division sentence, right? Dash number is a dividend. And I can change it like this. In above division sentence, dash is a dividend.
40.
No, I will ask to another student. Tire. Yes. Dash number is a dividend here. In above division sentence, dash number is a dividend. 40 divided by 2 equals to 20. Yes. Which number is a dividend here? Yes. Dividend means the number you have to divide. The number you have to divide. In 40 divided by 2, which number you are dividing? Yes. Sharif. In 40 divided by 2, in above division sentence, dash is a dividend. Which number is the dividend here?
Divided 40.
42 or 20. Which number is dividend here?
Yeah.
40.
40.
Why 40? Because dividend is the number which
I did answer the 40.
Okay.
I did answer 40.
All
They
right.
say
Okay.
it was
Guys, I again repeat, dividend is the number which has to be divided. Right. So 15 here was to be divided. So it had, here 15 was dividend. But here 40 has to be divided. That's why 40 is the dividend. Now in the above division sentence, dash is a divisor. Dash is a divisor. Ahmad. Ahmad Yusuf. Ahmad Yusuf. Can you hear me, Ahmad Yusuf? Ahmad Al Rufai, can you hear me? Please open your mic, guys, so that you can answer. Al Wali Sultan. Al Wali Sultan, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ahmad. Can you tell me the divisor here in this division sentence? 40 divided by 2 equals to 20.
2 divided by what?
I want to know which number is a divisor here.
Divider? What? I don't listen you.
Which number is divisor? Divisor. This one.
Okay. What mean divide? Divider.
That's what I am explaining. Divisor means by which the number is dividing. Here 40 is divided.
Okay.
Which number is a divisor?
Divider. Okay.
Yes.
The 2.
2. Very good. 2 is divisor here. Very good. I repeat for you guys again. This is I'm erasing now. Let's suppose it is 42 divided by 6, that is equals to 7. This is the division sentence. What is dividend? Dividend is the number which you have to divide. You are going to divide in this division 42 into 6 equal groups. This means you are going to divide 42 number of objects into 6 equal groups. When you divide 42 objects into 6 equal groups, so in every group there will be 7 objects. Okay, let's suppose if you have 42 books in total and you want to share it with 6 children equally, so you, how many books you give to one children? So you divide for that 42 divided by 6 and you get the answer is 7, that every children will get 7 books. Okay, so for dividend you need to check which number you are going to divide. Here you have total 42 books and you are going to divide 42, so this number is called your dividend. The number which you are going to divide is called dividend. The number which you are going to divide is called dividend. It will be called dividend. Okay, the number which you have to divide is called dividend. This is dividend. Now what is divisor? Divisor is the number by which you are going to divide, right? You want to distribute 42 books into 6 equal groups. How many equal groups? 6. So you are going to divide this 42 by 6. So the number by which you are going to divide the dividend, the number by which you are going to divide the dividend is known as divisor. Again, I repeat, the number by which you are going to divide the dividend is known as divisor. So I'm going to write D-I-V-I-S-O-R. This is divisor. The number which you are going to divide, by which you are going to divide, is known as divisor. And the answer after dividing the dividend by divisor, what you will get, the answer you will get, that will be called quotient. Okay, after dividing the dividend by a divisor, the number you get will be your answer and that will be called quotient. Okay, so this 7 is quotient here. This 7 is quotient here. This 7 is your quotient. So in this number, what is in this division sentence, what is dividend, what is divisor, and what is quotient? 42 is dividend because 42 is being divided. You are dividing 42. That's why 42 is dividend. And 6 is a divider because you are dividing 42 by 6. You are dividing 42 by 6. And when you divide 42 by 6, the answer you will get, that is 7. So that is quotient. The answer is your quotient. I hope you understand. Now I'm going to write 20 divided by 5 equals 4. 20 divided by 5 equals 4. And you have to tell me, guys, what is dividend here? 20 divided by 5, what is the dividend? Yes, guys. In 20 divided by 5, what is the dividend? Listen my question carefully. I am asking in this division sentence, tell me which number is a dividend. That's mean which number has to be divided. Okay? 20 divided by 5 equals to 4. Which number is a dividend here? Yes?
20.
20. Very good.
20.
Very good. Very good. The answer is 20. So 20 is here a dividend. And I will make arrow. This 20 here is a dividend. Very good. Now, you have to tell me which number is a divisor. Which number is a divisor? In 20 divided by 5, which number is divisor? Yes.
6.
5. 5. Very good. Very good. Very good. So I'm going to write this number is divisor. This number is divisor. Now, can you tell me in this division sentence which number is a quotient? Yes, which number is quotient here? Yes. Very good. The answer is 4. There is one student who was saying 7. 7 is not the answer. 20 divided by 5 equals to 4 in this division sentence. So I can say this 4 is also quotient. So now you know very well what is dividend, what is divisor, and what is quotient. Dividend is the number by which you are dividing, and divisor is the number by which you are dividing, and quotient is the answer. We have only 5 minutes left, but inshallah tomorrow we are going to complete this page number 67. And let's come to the division and multiplication exercise first. Please help me to complete this. This is a multiplication and division sentence and you have to complete. Yes, dash divided by 2 equals to 6. Dash divided by 2 equals to 6. Can you tell me, guys?
12.
Very good. The answer is 12.
There are no more.
Very good. The answer is 12. Yes. The answer is 12. Now,
2 multiply 6.
check 2 multiplied by 6 equals to what?
2 multiply 6 equal 14.
Yes, guys. 2 multiplied by 6 equals what?
12.
The answer is 12. Very good.
12.
Same here. Dash divided by 4 equals to 5. So if you multiply this 5 by this 4, in order to solve these questions, you can multiply. Because you know that when you multiply 5 by 4, you will find the bigger number for the division sentence. 20, and you can multiply 4 by 5, 20 here also and 20 here also. So you have practiced now for the division, and you know the terms of the division, guys. You know the dividend, you know the divider, you know the quotient. dividend, divisor, and you are able to make now multiplication sentences, division sentences from the same number of objects. If I give you the same number of objects, you can make uh, multiplication sentence, division sentence, and everything. Right? If I ask you one more number, 35 divided by 5 equals to 7. In this division sentence, what number is a dividend? Yes. Which number is a dividend?
4
Very good.
multiply 5 equals 20.
Very good, very good. Okay, now I'm going to ask question and I'm going to open your chat. You have to answer in the chat. I will see who will reply first. The question is, tell me in 35 divided by 5, which number is divisor? 35 divided by 5 equals to 7. Which number is the divisor? Saud, Suleiman. Very good. Omar, Muhammad Farooq, Umar, Muhammad Abdul, Ayan, Amjad. Okay, Amal. All right, all right. Now I'm changing the question. The question is now 35 divided by 7 equals to 5. Please tell me the quotient here. What is the quotient here? 35 divided by 7. 5. Adam, very good. Very good. Very good. Okay. If I change here, if I make it 24 divided by 12 equals 2. Can you tell me divisor here? 24 divided by 12 equals 2. Can you tell me divisor? TT4, very good. Muhammad Abdul Rahim, very good. Muhammad Farooq, very good. Adam, very good. Reply only one time. Amal, very good. Amjad Muhammad, very good. Sharif, Ahmad. Okay. Can you tell me here what is dividend in 24 divided by 12? What is dividend?
24.
Not 42. Very good. 24. All right, guys. You have got it. Very good. Very good. So now this is going to the end of our today's class. I hope you practiced
When
in terms of division.
divided
And I'll see you in the next class. Take care. Bye bye.
اللي به اي ار
See you in the next class, guys. Take care.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye bye.